Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you on how to back up your data on Gmail using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. First, go to myaccount.google.com on your web browser. Under Privacy and Personalization, click on Manage Your Data and Privacy to access data management options. Scroll down to find Download or Delete Your Data, and click on Download Your Data to proceed. You will be directed to the Google Takeout page. Click on Deselect All at the top of the page, and then select Gmail from the list of services. Click on the button to review and exclude any specific categories you don't want to include in the backup. Scroll down and click Next Step to move forward in the data backup process. To choose your preferred delivery method, click the small arrow under Delivery Method to view available options. You can customize the frequency, file size, and type of the file according to your preferences. Once you've made your selections, click on Create Export to start the data backup process. By following these steps, you can effectively back up your data on Gmail using your PC. This feature allows you to secure your Gmail information and ensure you have a copy of your data for safekeeping. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you manage your Gmail data efficiently.